Welcome to the Toolbox Talk of eye protection. As we know that work-related eye injuries can have lifelong consequences. In this Toolbox Talk, we will discuss about the causes of eye injuries and the safety precautions that should be followed by workers at workplace. Eye injuries from dust and particles, welding, light, and chemicals are common on a job site. Often workers wear the wrong eye protection, or none at all. Although some eye injuries are minor, even a simple scratch from sawdust, cement, or drywall dust can cause lasting pain. Metal slivers from a grinding wheel, or abounding nails from routine hammering and carpentry can puncture the eye and lead to vision loss. Nearby workers and bystanders are also at risk. Now, let's discuss about the causes of eye injuries. Flying dust and grit. Welding arcs. Sparks and slag from welding and cutting. Chemical splash. Sun and wind. We will discuss about the personal protective equipment that should be worn by workers at workplace for protecting the eyes. Safety goggles. Safety glasses with side shields. Prescription safety glasses. Weld masks, dark shields, and torch glasses. Face shields. Now, let's discuss about the safety measures for protecting the eyes. Always wear the correct eye protection for the hazards present. Take care of your eye protection. Replace it when damaged. Use vented goggles for caustic dust, such as cement dust, and non-vented goggles for chemicals. Use face shields with safety glasses or goggles for protection from flying objects or chemical splashes. If injured, do not rub your eyes. For dust, small particles or chemicals, use the eye wash station. Rinse with clean water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. For cuts, punctures, and objects in the eyes, seek medical attention. Don't wash out your eyes, or try to remove objects yourself. When welding, use a welding helmet or goggles, with the correct lens shade for the job. Welders, helpers, and bystanders also need UV protection. Don't wear contact lenses on site. Dust and other particles can get under the lens. If you must wear contact lenses for medical reason, wear appropriate eye protection as well. Look after your eye protection. Keep it clean, return it to a suitable container after use, and report any damage or loss to your supervisor. With this, let's complete our toolbox talk on eye protection. Have a safe day.